know what it is, what's up, what's popping, what's cracking, and all that, period. So, if you're new to my channel, hey, how you doing? My name is LaShey. If you all, welcome back. Thank you for subscribing. If you did need to do that. So, today I'm going to be giving you guys a tutorial on this makeup look, and it is so bomb. I'm so in love with it. It's a rainbow pride look, and yeah, so I was kind of been supposed to do this look, but I was just kind of like BSing around about it. But I'm glad I did it. I really enjoyed doing it. I kind of like freestyled this. Like, I didn't know how it was gonna look in the end. I just knew the colors. All I knew was I'm about to use all the colors on the rainbow, because I mean, it's pride month, it's a pride look. I didn't know how it's about to look. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you like these kind of videos and y'all want to see more makeup looks, let me know. I really appreciate all types of feedback, so let your girl know. So yeah, let's get straight to the video. Hey y'all, so basically today's video is just going to be a voiceover, and I'm not going to do too much talking at all, but I already filled in my eyebrows, and right now I'm just blending in my concealer. But if you do want to know how I do my eyebrows, then I do have a video on my channel, and you can press the top right corner, the eye in the top right corner, to get a direct link to that video.
I'm more than just an option. Refuse to be forgotten.
And to prime my eyes, I'm going to be using the Louise eyeshadow base in 0.5, and I usually use the one that's a shade darker than this one. It's the next shade up, but for my more colorful looks, I like to use the 0.5. It works the same way though. It's just your preference. Okay, so for this look, I'm going to be using 3 palettes: the James Charles palette, the Crayon Case Matte Book, and then the Morphe 35B palette. Now, I know the Morphe 35B palette and the James Charles palette usually be out of stock, so I'm not sure if you can get your hands on it, but that's why I decided to put all 3 of these palettes in this video, because they're all really great and bomb and very pigmented. So the first red I'm going to be using is from the James Charles palette, and then I'm going to be taking the orange from the Morphe 35B palette. And then I'm going to go back into the James Charles palette and use that yellow, but you have to be really careful with the James Charles palette. Like, for one, you have to use a primer or it's not going to blend well. Plus, I think it kind of sits in really fast, so you got to hurry up and blend. So you're going to see I'm going to have to keep going back in and try to blend out my red, because it's very pigmented, but it kind of gets hard to blend if you let it sit for a second. Like, I don't know how to explain it. It's just, I don't know, it's weird. I noticed that my orange looked kind of washed out, so I went back in and packed on some more orange, and you know, made it look more vibrant, because we're going for a very vibrant look. We don't want dull. It's pride, you know what I'm saying? So the bolder the better. So for this look, I'm going to be using 2 different greens. First, I'm going to go in with this lighter green for the edge of my eye, because I don't want it to be too harsh and dark right there. So I'm going to be using a lighter green from the 35B palette, and then after that I'm going to go in with this more money green color from the Crayons Case Matte Book. And I really love this green. It's like the perfect green. It's like money green, like, you know. So that's the color I'm going to be using.
Next time I see you, I'm gonna walk right up to you and say what's on my mind.
Then I'm going to go in with this blue that's also from the matte book, and eventually I'm going to go back in with the darker blue because my green started kind of washing out this blue. It made it look kind of tealish, and I wanted to go for more of a royal slash just a regular blue, not a teal. So you're gonna see me go back in after I add the purple from the matte book. And yeah, I'm just gonna go back in and eventually make the blue more blue. So I went ahead and cut my crease off camera because I didn't want to mess up my crease. Like, this look was very important to me, and I knew if I did it on camera I was gonna mess up. So I'm basically just going in with the white from the James Charles palette, but all of these palettes that I mentioned have a white. I just randomly chose the James Charles palette white because I hardly use that one, and it was the most purest white at the moment.
You need me, but I want you, and you breathe me, just like I'm your oxygen. Yeah, it's so.
Now I'm going to take that red shadow and go back in the corner of my eye and kind of blend that into the white. And I kind of took a little bit of the orange too. I don't know why, I just did, but you know, yeah, do what you want. And then I went back in with the white and kind of added more white to make it more white. But I did the same thing on the right side with the purple, except I didn't go back with more blue. I just did purple only. The eyeliner I'm using is from Wet n Wild. It's the Wet n Wild Mega Liner in black, and I've been using this liner for forever, so yeah, you should get it. So as you can see, I messed up on my liner, but I'm going to go back and fix that. I'm just going to wait till it dries first, because if I touch it right now, it's going to smear on my eyeshadow, and I don't want that. So I went ahead and fixed it. But now I'm going to take my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It's the best mascara. You should get it. Like, it's the best. And after that, I'm going to waterline my eyes with this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in black. Then after that, I'm going to apply my lashes off camera, and I'm also going to do my face off camera. My lashes are from my lash line in the style Savage, and right now they're $12, and I have a deal 3 for $30 with the code 3 for $30. So if you want that, go get them. Yeah, so now as you can see, I already baked my face, and I'm just going to take a small brush, and I'm going to go in with this pink from the matte book, and I'm going to pat it in under my eye, and it's going to make it look so vibrant. And I'm so sorry that I wasn't in the camera because I'm freaking stupid, so just don't mind me. And just a little FYI, the reason I'm putting in the pink while I'm baking is because if I have any fallout, whenever I dust the powder off my face, it's gonna dust off, like the pink would dust off with it. You see what I'm saying? So if I would have dusted off my baking powder and then put the stuff under my eyes, I would have had fallout. So you can either do it like that, or you can use like a napkin to catch the fallout. It's up to you. I just do it this way. You know what I'm saying? It's just really up to you. So now you're just gonna go and draw your face in whatever setting powder you like. I just use the NYX because it's freaking affordable and it does the job. So I'm gonna go ahead and draw my face in this powder. Then I go back in with my damn beauty blender and kind of pat it in. It just makes it come all together. I don't know how to explain it. So I have this Morphe palette, and it's a highlighting palette, and I just go back in with the two coats. Then I take the champagne color, and it just makes it look perfect.
There's something about this girl, man, from around my way. Never try to hold back your feelings, but it just wouldn't stay. But when I finally found the word,
Ignore my creepy smiling. I'm just putting on my blush. But yeah. So you're just gonna take any light brown lip liner or whatever you got. Like I use this one from NYX because I don't know, I just use it. So I'm gonna take this light brown lip liner from NYX and I'm gonna line my lips, of course, because what else is a lip liner for? I'm gonna line my lips. After that, I'm gonna take this brown lipstick that I got from the hair store. It's very affordable, and it just says Matte Stick. I'm not sure the brand, but I did show you how the tube looks. So yeah, and the shade is literally brown. So that's that's what I use. I blend it in together. You know, I got them big pretty lips, so gotta get everywhere. Then I'm gonna go back in with my liner and add some more liner because I need more liner. I like the ombre effect. And then I'm gonna take this NYX Butter Gloss in the color Madeline. So I'm gonna do that. Then I'm gonna take another one, and I don't know this shade, but it's a shade. And I'm gonna put it on top of my lips, and I'm gonna blend it all in, and it's gonna be bomb. You feel me? Perfect.
around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings, but it just wouldn't stay. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away, simply run away. You can try to hide it, make it different. You can't lie to yourself. Alright y'all, so this is the finished results. I really love it. I love how it came out. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video.